Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will going to continue the part 2 of showing you the Python value types. In the last time I show you strings, integer and float data type, but in today's video I will go to continue the other ones, and without further ado, let's get started. Yes, we're back. In the last video I explained about how we can work, the types of the strings, integer and float value types, but in this video I will going to continue with the other ones, and okay, let's start. The first one is I missed in the last video, but this is the main one, and it's called boolean value, I think so. It's the data type, so for true and false. If you going to write false, for example, and if you want to see the types of this value, we can run out here, and as you can see here it says boolean, and for strings and for number types of value, for example, integers and floats are we can know for what reason we are going to use it. Maybe for strings, maybe we can use it for to communicate, to print out some idea or text. For numbers, maybe in machine learning specifically, we can adjust to by using some algorithms. We can make some prediction in numbers values, but maybe you asking yourself what we are going to use this boolean data types for, but this usually we used for maybe for a while loop, maybe for a while loop or some other stuffs, and maybe I will show you those, maybe for if statements. Maybe if I will going to work about those topics, but just for now, just know that boolean values have a very it takes a very role in coding, so just know that for now, but in the future video I will explain deeply. Okay, the first one, boolean type is false, and the second one is true. You can guess that, and it is true, and if we run that, it printed out here true, and because we say printed out the L value, and the L value is true, and also we printed out the types of the L value, and its type, it printed out here, it says boolean. It's rated in short word, but this stand for bowling. And also the other value types is list, and I mean we can go and explain for list explanation, but for now I'm going to show you how the list is created and also how can we access it. But in the future video I will make more explanation video, so stay tuned. So to create a list, all you have to do is you have to, I don't know the name of this bracket, but we have to create a bracket. Looks like this one, not this one, or not this one. We have to use this one for list value, and we have to put under here we can put if you want we can put any types of value. Maybe we can put, for example, strings. I'm just writing in randomly, I don't know, this doesn't have any meaning. So this is the list. If we try to run it here, as you can see, here is a list, and that's how we can create a list. And if you want to have many values under this list, we can make them by separating those values with a comma. But I'm not going to get deeply in this video. Maybe now it doesn't make sense, but that's all right. All I wanted to show you in this video is in this list explanation, I just want to show you how the data types, and also how you can create a list. So don't worry about detailed stuff. I will going to about this topic in the future. So to create a list, all we have to do is separate all values with comma, and to separate those values we can use comma. And maybe if you want to also add number, we can just type any numbers we want to add. And also we remember to add comma after you done added your value. So also today's I show you the bowling data type, and we also can use that. And as you can see here, the Visual Studios automatically tell me what I want. It gets to what I wanted to write, and I just click enter, and it will automatically write it down here. As you can see, I just click enter, and it did that for me. And that's one thing to learn. And also if you run this is going to print it out the list here. and then also the value type, and it is a list. Okay, and then I don't want to explain many things in one video, but I also going to show you one other types of value before I finish this video. And let me show you what does this. If you understand the types of list, let's move on to the other one. The other one is instead of creating by this bracket, so by this bracket we have to use for this types of value, we have to use these types of bracket. And if this is the same, everything is the same as the list, but they have some differences between list and these types of data, and I'll tell you the name of this. But in list we can change the value. Maybe if you want to change this value, we can change it by just doing some code, but in this but if you create the list, not the list, if we create this value, you cannot change it. It will going to be created for we cannot change it for permanently, because it's not the code. For some reason, for now, know that we cannot change it. Okay. And also, before I forget it, to limit, so this is called tuple, if I'm not wrong, and that's his name, this name. And if we print it out, as you can see, tuple, and it's different from the list. And just know that the list and the tuple different is we can change it somehow by typing some code somewhere, and we can change it the value, and we can adjust some other stuff. But in tuple we cannot change it because it's permanent. We can access to view the value, but we cannot change it. Just know that. And I don't want to go deep. I don't want to go too much explanation video in this video, but I will going to continue in the other video. But for today's the video will going to be in here, so I'll see you guys in the other video. Goodbye.